Hello kids, and today we're gonna play the Paw Patrol puzzle. So let's open it and see what we have here. Wow, we have so many shiny puzzles here. So let's try to open and combine them. Great, look at this. So the way that we're gonna do this puzzle, we're gonna look at this image and then we're gonna try to connect the puzzle pieces. Okay, let's start. And the first that we're gonna do, we're gonna find the corner pieces, right? Because it's gonna be easier for us to start with the puzzle. So here we have the word cool, and here's the corner piece, right? So we can place like that. Then let's find the next one puzzle, and the next one gonna be also the corner piece, but I'm still searching for that corner piece puzzle, right? There is a lot of puzzle pieces here on the table, right? I can see that there is also the side puzzle, so we need also to find the side puzzle pieces so we can place them somewhere on the side, right? So let's try. Okay, I found another corner piece puzzle. So it's a star, right? And if we look here, here is the star. So let's place it on the left side, right? And we also need to find the next two corner piece puzzles. So I found one, and we need one more. So we have two puzzle pieces, 1 and 2. So let's turn around, and here we have a dog bone, right? And here we have a bow, right? So we found our 4 corner piece puzzles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can start to find the next one gonna be the side puzzle. So let's maybe try to find the word cool, right? Because it's gonna be easier to find the next one. So I'm gonna turn around all the puzzle pieces and see where is the word cool. So here is the word cool, also the part of the word. And here is another part for the word cool. And you can see here is the tail of the dog, right? So let's turn around all of them and see what we have else, right? So, and also there is another piece for the word cool. Okay, can you see any more? Can you see on this table any other puzzle pieces that would help us to combine all of them and have a word cool? I cannot see them. So maybe let's start with what we have right now on the table. And then if we need to find more puzzle pieces for the word cool, then we can try to search again. So let's combine this one. Great. And let's combine this one. Okay, it's going pretty well. Okay, we almost got the word cool, right? And I can see here that there is the small part of the word cool. So I guess it goes like this. Great, we have a word cool, right? This is letter C, this is letter O, this is letter O, and this is letter O. Great, well done. So then you can see on this image we have a dog, and here is the word cool. So here is the dog that we need to also find, right? So this is gonna be the next dog there, the dog that wears the red helmet. Okay, so here is the red helmet of the dog. Here is another piece that's gonna help us. Here is another piece. So let's look at the wall table. Where is another piece that would help us to connect all the puzzle pieces and give us that dog? I can see here is another part of that helmet, right? And here is another one. It seems that there is all the puzzle pieces that I could found, but if you see any more, just let me know. Can you see? I cannot see, so let's just combine this one. So let's take this one and combine with this piece. And then we have a part of the star, so we can connect like this. Great. Then let's take the ear of the dog, right? And let's see if we can combine it here, like that. Great. We almost have the dog. So we have here the face of the dog. So let's combine And there is another piece with the eye and ear. Great, you see? We almost got fully completed the dog. So let's maybe try with this one. Maybe it could go here. No, it doesn't go here. But if we gonna turn around, maybe it could go here. No. Okay, if we don't know where we can place it, then it's better at the moment to leave it. But I think this one is basically the paw, so we can maybe combine like this. Great, amazing. So the next dog that we need to find gonna be the yellow dog, right? So it wears the yellow helmet and yellow clothes. So if we see the color yellow like this, let's put aside and let's try to gather them. Can we see if there's any yellow colors? Here is a bit of yellow color, right? Here is also a bit of yellow color, you see? And here is another, a small part of the yellow color. Can you see more? Here is another part of the yellow color. So we just need to find yellow colors, even if they're small. I can see here too, you see? Here's a tiny small yellow color right here, right? I cannot see any yellow color in puzzle pieces. Maybe, okay, this one maybe, right? This one looks as a yellow color. Okay, and when we have all of them, let's try to combine. So maybe let's try with the yellow helmet and the paw of the dog above, right? And let's combine. So, like this. Great. We have the eye of the yellow dog, right? And then let's take another piece and combine like that. Great. You're doing really well. Let's turn around this and let's try. It's a mouth, part of the mouth of the yellow dog. Great. And let's take another one and combine. Oh, it goes pretty well. We almost have the yellow dog that's wearing the yellow helmet and yellow clothes. And here you can see the small part of the yellow like this. Great, we're doing pretty well. And there is another piece where we see the yellow color, right? Like this. Great, amazing. So the next dog that we're gonna continue with gonna be the police dog that's wearing the police clothes and it has the dark blue color. So we need to search for dark blue color, right? So here is the dark blue color. Here is a bit of dark blue color, you see? Here is another dark blue color here. Oh, I see. Here is another dark blue color, right? Can we see any of other puzzle pieces that have the dark blue color? Oh, I can see here dark blue color, and also we have here the yellow color. So this is the piece that we missed. So maybe we can right now try to combine. So let's do it. It goes like this. Great. Okay, so we have the puzzle pieces that have the dark blue color. Okay, let's try to combine. Let's maybe try this one. This is the ear of the dog. And let's maybe try to leave this again and then maybe turn around. I think this could go like this. So there is the star, so this is the claws of the police dog. And then this is also the claws. So I go like this and then turn around, place. Great. So we need to find the face of the dog. Can you see the face of the dog somewhere? Can you see it? Yes, it is here. And we can easily connect those puzzle pieces with other ones. Great, you can see that we almost completed the puzzle. So this is the foundation of our puzzle, right? This was the corner pieces were the foundation of our puzzle. And then we start by looking at the color, find other puzzle pieces. And we also started with the cool word and with the star. And then we continued with clothes and with the dogs, right? So, and the next one that we're gonna try to find gonna be the legs of the dog and paws. So let's try to find. So here is one paw, here is another paw, right? Here is another paw. Okay, so we have 3 paws. So maybe let's try to connect. It doesn't go here well, but you can see here is the small part of the bone. So maybe if we're gonna move here and press like this and then try to connect the bone. Great, amazing. So then let's look at this, where we can place this one. Do you know? Can you see this puzzle? It could connect with this one. Let's do it like this. Great. And the next one, we have the paw of the police dog, and you can see it goes easily like that. Great. We almost completed our puzzle. And this one is the corner puzzle piece, right? So it's always in a corner, and you can see here is the paw symbol of all dogs. And if we press, great, amazing. So then what we need to do, we need to find the side puzzle pieces that we can place like this on a side, right? So let's find them. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we found 3. There is another 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's think where we can start. And I think that we can start with the bone. You see, here is the bone, and here's the part of the bone also. Here's the small part of the tail, so we can connect like this. Great. So the first side puzzle is connected. So let's search for the next one. So I think that this one is red, and here is the blue. Here's the small part of the paw. You see that we only need the blue and the red color, like this. Great. And let's take the next one. And the next one that we're gonna take gonna be the bone again. So if we're gonna turn around 1 and 2 times, you can see here is the bone part and here is the bone. You see, it goes pretty well like this. Amazing. And then let's continue with our journey. So we have here the star and here we have the star. So we already can connect between them both like this. So we have 2 puzzle pieces that connected. Where we can place them? Can you see the 2 empty spaces? Yes, here's the 2 empty spaces. And here, if we can easily and softly press, yes, done. And we only left with 2 puzzle pieces. So here is the paw of the red dog, and here is the shield that inside of that shield we can see the paw, right? So let's take the leg of the dog and let's maybe try to press. Great, amazing. And then let's take the last one. So this is the shield, this is their symbol, right? And let's try to press. Yes, we completed the puzzle game for the Paw Control. So we started with the corner pieces, right? With these ones we started, then we found the word cool, then we found the star, then we continued with the red helmet, with the red clothes, with this dog. Then after that dog, we tried to find the yellow colors in the puzzle pieces. And then after yellow color, we tried to find dark blue colors. And then we try to connect the side puzzle pieces. So this is the great way to complete the puzzle. We start with the corner, then we try to find the colors, and then we complete it by trying to find the side puzzles. Great, congratulations, we completed this puzzle really quick. Amazing, well done.
Thank you, kids. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.